Hey there, can we just pause for a second? Be honest with me. Does your living room actually feel like a living room? Or does it feel more like a landing zone for clutter, a background for your screen time, a space that just exists? You're craving a corner of calm, a place that feels like a deep breath. But the idea of a makeover sounds expensive, overwhelming, maybe even a little intimidating. What if the secret ingredient to that serenity is a single magical color? A color that's both timeless and totally trending for 2026. I'm talking about sage green. It's the heart of what we're calling soft modern and tranquil cottagecore, a look that's all about ease, nature, and comfort. But this isn't a designer reveal with a shocking price tag. This is your guide to building that sage green sanctuary yourself on a real-world budget. Welcome back to Daily Home Trends, and over the next few minutes, I'm sharing my absolute favorite, actionable hacks, from a game-changing paint trick that costs less than $50 to transforming thrift store finds into treasures, to the lighting secret that makes everything feel expensive. We're going to break it down together, step by step, into something totally doable. This is for anyone who's ever looked at their space and thought, I could use a little more peace in here. So if you're ready to turn that feeling into a space you love to live in, stick with me. Let's create your DIY sage green living room. Section 1. The Sage Foundation more than just a wall color. Before we grab a brush, let's talk strategy. Sage green is a superstar because it's a chameleon. It can feel earthy, spa-like, or elegantly vintage, depending on its friends. The first hack is mental. Think of sage as your neutral. Yes, your neutral. It's far more dynamic than beige, but just as versatile. This mindset shift frees you up. Now, for the biggest impact, an accent wall. But we're doing the 2026 version. Ditch the single flat wall. Try a sage green arch behind your sofa. A soft, organic shape you can tape off and paint yourself. Or go for picture frame molding on your wall, painting the inside squares in a deeper matte sage. It adds architectural interest for the cost of some trim and a sample pot. Trending, keywords like cottagecore revival and grand millennial style are all about this kind of character-infused detail. Section 2. Thrifted and textured, the second-hand soul. A serene space feels collected, not catalog bought. Our next mission, the hunt. Your new best friends are Facebook Marketplace, local thrift stores, and estate sales. Look for solid wood frames, a vintage side table, or a classic armchair. The DIY magic happens after. That dated wooden chair? A light sanding and a coat of sage green chalk paint transforms it. A drab laminate side table? Use a bonding primer and paint it in a complementary creamy white. This is where biophilic design meets budget, bringing in natural materials and a human touch. Now, layer the texture. This is non-negotiable for coziness. A chunky, cream-colored knit throw, easy to find at discount stores, linen pillow covers, a jute or seagrass rug, and raw-edged wooden bowls. These natural textures make the flat sage green come alive. Think of it as creating a soft Scandinavian vibe, where hide meets organic modern. Section 3. The Serenity details greenery and gallery walls. No serene space is complete without life, literally. Plants are your most affordable accessory. Go for easy, trailing plants like pothos or philodendron in simple, neutral pots. But here's a fresh idea. Create a green shelfie. Dedicate one floating shelf to a curated collection of plants, stacked books with green covers, and a simple sage-colored vase. It's a focal point that costs very little. For art, let's build a botanical gallery wall. Print vintage botanical illustrations or pressed flower art from free online archives. Frame them in a mix of thrifted frames, all painted the same warm white or light wood tone. The key is repetition of theme and frame color for a curated, not chaotic look. This taps right into the dark academia light, trend, thoughtful, natural, and personal. Section 4. Light and layer, the final ambience. Lighting can make or break the mood. Overhead lights? Harsh, our solution. Layered lighting. This is a game changer. Start by swapping a harsh bulb for a warm white, low wattage one. Then, add in layers. A tall, DIY rattan floor lamp. You can find kits online. A small plug-in sconce above a side table. And the most important layer, candlelight. Use unscented or lightly natural scented candles in ceramic holders. The flickering light reflecting off your sage walls and textures, pure magic. It creates that quiet luxury feeling, not about price, but about atmosphere. And there you have it, your blueprint to a DIY sage green living room. Remember, it starts with one accent, one thrifted find, one texture at a time. This is your space to breathe in. The goal is serenity, not stress. If you felt inspired by these budget room transformations and slow living interior ideas, do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It really helps. And subscribe for more ways to build a home that feels authentically you without the insane budget. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the first hack you're trying? The arch, the thrift flip, or the green shelfie? Shout it out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, great design isn't about what you spend, it's about the feeling you create. See you in the next one.